Alright guys, I gotta apologize. I know we've been waiting for that supercharger review video, but we've been kind of having some problems with the supercharger ever since the install. And yeah, that's coming out hopefully very soon because the Magnuson's taking care of us. Our Figs Engineering partner supplier in Colorado is taking care of us too. But we're back where we started pretty much again. This is round 2 repairs for the supercharger at this point. And I think we finally identified the issue at least. There's a leak that was in the casting of the lid right up here. We thought it was in the O-rings last time, and last time Magnuson had sent us the O-rings to replace the intercooler to lid connections there. So we did that. There's nothing's coming from there from that repair that we did to the supercharger here, but there is still that leak, quite literally coming through the metal almost. So yeah, that being said, we've taken everything apart again. The truck is in pieces, and gosh, I'm hoping in a few days here that new lid will arrive and we'll be able to get this guy back in there. It really stinks, it really does. I do understand some manufacturing errors and defect, and I'm glad that we're being taken care of, so I really appreciate it. Shout out to Magnuson there for making this right, and shout out to Figs Engineering for making this right as well for us and helping be our trusted partner along the way. So very soon we'll be getting this all back together, getting it cleaned up again. We're cleaning the inside of the engine right now. I'll have that out in another video too. But if you don't want to miss that, make sure you subscribe, like this video. Really appreciate it, and thanks for sticking around. I'll see you soon, and we'll be back on the road before you know it.